Hey guys, good morning. It's Queen BRZ back here with some exciting news. So today I'm off to meet a guy in Pasadena to go ahead and get myself some new wheels. I'm so excited because this is something I've been really wanting for my BRZ.
I fall in love too easily. I fall in love too fast.
So the wheels I'm going to be getting today are TC105Ns in 17 by 9 plus 35 offset, and I'm super excited because these are a really great brand of wheels, and they're not too banged up. They're looking really good, so I'm just so excited to finally get them on my car. The only thing is I have to wait to get some tires. If any of you guys have some recommendations, I'm looking for something not too loud. I know they have some nice racing tires that unfortunately are really loud, and we had those on the Civic and they get really annoying, so probably not what I want. Also, I'm I guess on a budget, but I mean don't go too crazy with the expensive wheels. But if you have any suggestions, do let me know down in the comments down below as soon as possible, so I can go ahead and get them and then get the wheels on my BRZ. But I'm just gonna keep documenting the trip over. We're in the STI today, obviously, because the wheels probably couldn't fit in the BRZ or the Civic. Well, I guess they probably could, but the STI is a little bit more roomy. But I'll be back. Alright guys,
Okay.
So this is Philip, and he is who I'm getting my wheels from. Who did you get these from? Julio. So Philip and Julio,
Julio's wheels.
they are friends, and you should definitely hook us up with things because Julio is so cool. But I'm really enjoying these wheels. We checked them out already. They're beautiful. They're really light, which is what's really awesome about them, and they're in great shape, and he really hooked it up with a good deal. Plus, this is his car, guys. Super fancy schmancy. What kind of exhaust do you have again?
The CSG exhaust.
And it sounds beautiful. He went ahead and did some little test revs for us, and it's really nice, and now I want it for my car. So this is what I get. I just like want everything now. But thank you so much, Philip, and thank you for...
And she's gonna run 86 Cup now.
Heck
so.
yeah! So catch us out there with these wheels. Alright guys, so just a quick update. I love the wheels. They're so great. We were doing a little bit of research, and also Philip was telling us that they were tested and they are going to be very good for the track. These wheels are amazing because, of course, like if you get a little ding on them, they can take it rather than a daily driver kind of wheel. So I'm really grateful and excited for that because I am a little bit of a crazy driver, and I am going to be a little bit more rough with my car. So this is great, and it's just a really great investment, and I'm so excited to go ahead and analyze them for you guys and show you what kind of damage is done on them, but not very much. Honestly, they're beautiful. Alright guys, so I'm taking a look at the first wheel here. It's almost perfect. It just has a little bit of chips on it and some nicks, but nothing to be too concerned about. They look really great, and they're gonna look even better on my car. Alright guys, so the second wheel, it's almost perfect. As you can see in the front here, there are very minimal scratches on it, which is nice. He did put this marker on just because in the inner barrel, it is a little bit dented in right here. So just to be on the safe side, I'm gonna go ahead and get it fixed just so that everything's perfect and I can just kind of give it a clean start. So other than that, the rest of the wheels are in incredible condition, just minimal scratches on it, and I got them for a seal, and they're going to be such a good investment because, again, like I mentioned before, they're very durable wheels and they're going to last for a really long time. So I'm super excited, and I can't wait to show you guys what kind of wheels or tires I end up putting on with it, and I'll definitely be doing a video for that. Once again, guys, if you do have any recommendations for me regarding tires, please let me know. My car still is going to be a daily driver, so I don't want like a purely track kind of tire, and I also don't want anything too loud either. So if you have anything that's within reason and price and you think is a great tire, please let me know. I'll do some research and decide which one I like best. So for 2019, I have some really big things in store for all of my cars, even stuff for the STI, so please stay tuned. I thank everybody who has subscribed to my channel. It's been growing really fast and I really appreciate the support, and it gives me more drive to go ahead and just want to do even more for you guys, so thank you so much. So another really exciting thing that I have coming for 2019 is I might be bringing along a new member to my car family. Maybe a drift build, I don't know. You have to stay tuned to find out. So that's all I have for today. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, Queen BRZ out.
I fall in love too easily. I fall in love too